Oh, this grass is even wetter.
Yeah, I know.
Oh wow.
That was big.
Yep.
Wow.
Those are nice commercial lights.
I can tell, dang.
Are you playing a game or are you watching?
I'm watching. Trust me, I'm watching. I'm saying AFK. I want to watch a few of these. I said AFK, chat. I want to watch some. That was like the worst timing for me too. Pretty.
I think this is the best spot though. It's a very good spot to see these. And these would have been better, but this is definitely a better spot than the other beach.
Yeah.
The other one.
Those are really loud.
Mm-hmm.
It sounds like ASMR, just. That's actually, I don't think that's ASMR. That's way too loud. But the little like ones afterwards, you know how it like breaks apart a little more?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sparkly. Is that green or white?
I think both.
Yeah. Why am I reading this smoking? I have no clue.
My foot's cramping big time.
I can't. Oh, I know. That one's big.
Multicolored.
I know.
guarantee you Bat can hear this.
Yeah.
I guarantee you Bat's going crazy.
Green and pink mix very well.
I'm gonna